Hello, this is Keith at Redwood Grows, and I want to give you an update on the water tower. So let's show you the old water flowing with 165 gallons. We got some pretty decent flow. So when it's full, I think if I do my math right, we're going to be about 6 psi and empty about 4 psi. So hopefully that's enough pressure to activate the low head pressure. Everything I've looked at and a few people that responded tell me that should be fine. Stay tuned. So we have the water tower in place, and been working pretty decent, I guess. I've got the pipe in, just used some PVC. It was actually a standard, I believe, 2-inch MPT on this one, on this IBC. Different IBCs have all kinds of different thread connections, so if you get an IBC, pretty much everybody tells you, but verify what threads you got before you start trying to hook everything up. So we ran down here 2-inch pipe, and then I've got just a outdoor hose bib set up to hook up a hose to do the low pressure feed to water the orchard. And so it's been collecting rain for probably about the last 2 weeks. I just climbed up there because one of the flaws in my design is you can't see how much water is in that IBC to see how much you got. But in 2 weeks we've got about 165 gallons of water in there. Based on the amount of rain we got, that's a little shy, so I must be losing some still. I'll have to come out here in a pouring rainstorm and see what's going on. But I was going to go into this side and just cut the opening up here so I can see the water level, try to keep it simple, maybe put a hinge on it so that it still look good. But the bottom line, there ain't enough sunlight in there to see how much water you got, so we're gonna have to scratch that and come up with a different idea of trying to see how much water we have in there. I could do a float mechanism, but I don't really like that. That keeps it open. I'm trying to keep this thing sealed and see what's got, but I might end up putting a hose or something, a little valve I can turn on and have the manometer set up so that I can see what we got and then let it drop back down, drain out, so it's never got water in there. But I'm open to suggestions. How would you check the level on this IBC? I'm not sure, but I'm open. Give me your ideas, give me your thoughts, tell me what you like, tell me what you dislike, and if you do like, please hit that thumb up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.